Hello friends, welcome to part 4 of Shopify e-commerce store, and in this part we are going to create brand page on our Shopify e-commerce website. So we are going to take these steps: how to create a main brand collection, how to add each brand as an individual collection, linking all brand collections under the main brand menu, associating products with the correct brand, creating a user-friendly brand directory page, and best practices for navigation and structure. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to modify my banners here at the home page. It does not look good. So I'm going to modify these banners. I have downloaded some of the banners. So I'm going to modify it in my theme. And here I'm going to click on here online store, then themes, then we'll click on customize and going to change the header banner here. First banner, will click on this slide and I'm going to click on change and select from library. Okay, so here I'm going to add my banner. This new banner I'm going to add, and we'll use this banner and we'll click on done. It's adding right now. Once it will add this, then I will click on done. It's done, and now I'm going to click on done and we'll save this banner. Okay, going to save this. Fine, this has been done. Okay, so I will go back and will also change the another slider banner. I will click here, and here also I will click on change, then select from library, and we'll add the another banner that I have downloaded. We'll add this one as well. This is the another banner. It will take few seconds to add, to upload. Done. I'm going to click on done and we'll click on save. So it has been done as well. Okay, so now the website will look better than before. And yes, now see, now it looks a lot better than before. You can see. Okay, and now we are going to add the brands here. Suppose if we are going to add the products of some certain brands. Okay, and here I want some brands in menu, under that brands I want to show some brand under which I'm going to show the products. Like I want to show Aero brand, or I want to show the Lee Cooper brand. Then I will show here the first brands. I'm going to add the brands as a collection, and under that brands I'm going to add will show all the brands in which the user can able to click on any of the brand to see its products. So let's do that. Okay, so I will go back here, exit this one, and will go to the content. Sorry, I will go to the products. Here we'll go to the collections, and here I will create the new collection. And first of all, we are going to add here the brands. Okay, brands collection. Okay, brands. Okay, so we will just add here the brands collection and we'll save this collection. Simply save this collection. Okay, so now I'm going to create the another collections as well. We'll create now the collections like Arrow brand. I'm going to create the Arrow. We'll save, and we'll also add few more brands like the Lee Cooper. I'm going to add here Lee Cooper. So, and also we can add more brands like Wrangler clothing. Okay, clothing brand we're going to add. So Wrangler brand I'm going to add here. Also, we can add Van Hussein. We can add the Van Hussein. Just checking the spelling. Okay, Van Hussein. And that is enough. Okay, so these are the brands that I have added. Now I will go to my content here, then menus, then we'll go to the main menu in which I am showing home, products, contact. Okay, I'm going to add the new menu item. Here I'm going to add here the brands. Okay, so I'm going to show here the collection. I'm going to click on brands here. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Okay, first I will add the brands, and after that I'm going to add the now I'm going to add those brands that I have added like Arrow. arrow. I'm going to click here, then the collection. Then I'm going to select here the arrow brand. Okay, arrow, and we'll click on save. Like this, I'm going to add the another menu item like Lee Cooper. So here I'm going to add the Lee Cooper collection, save, and we add the another menu item like Wrangler. We'll select the collection, Wrangler collection, and finally I'm going to add that last collection, and that is the Van Hussein. Okay, so this one I'm going to add this as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move this under this brands. Okay, so like this. This is the one of the thing, very important thing that you are required to do. You need to move them under this brands. Okay, then after this, click on save. Now see here, I'm going to refresh, and here you can see the brands. All the brands come up like this. Okay, under brands, Arrow, Lee Cooper, Wrangler, Van Hussein. So this we have made the brands page, and under brands you can able to see all the brands. You can click on this Arrow brand and see there are no products right now, but we can able to move the products as well. I'm going to open any of the t-shirt, and here on the right side, here you can see the collection. Here I can add this one, like if this t-shirt belongs to the Lee Cooper, then I'm going to add the Lee Cooper, and I can also show in brands page as well. Okay, if you want to make the brands page clickable, then I want to show you show this one in the brands page as well. Okay, so like this, I'm going to save it, and like this, I'm also going to show the another brand. One more t-shirt is here. I'm going to put it in some other brand as well. I'm going to add here, like I'm going to select the Lee Cooper, and we'll select the brands. Okay, and we'll save it as well. Now both the t-shirts are some are under some brand, and now if I will refresh this one, Arrow, still it is not coming, but it will come. I will go to Lee Cooper. Yes, under Lee Cooper, both the t-shirts are coming. I think there is some mistake. Under Lee Cooper, both the t-shirts are coming, but red t-shirt must come under. See here the wrong brand. I'm going to put it under Arrow. Okay, so Arrow, now it's fine. I'm going to click on save. So now this red t-shirt is under Arrow brand. And I'm going to refresh first. See, under Lee Cooper, this blue t-shirt is under Lee Cooper brand. Okay, and now I'm going to open the Arrow brand, and this red t-shirt is under the Arrow brand. Okay, so like this, you can associate the products under brands. So in the same way, we can manage the categories as well as the subcategories that I have shown you in the last few parts. Okay, I've shown you this one, categories and the subcategories as well. In the same way, we are managing the brands as well. Okay. So if you have not seen my earlier parts, please watch those parts. That will be really helpful for you. In the first part, we able to create the Shopify store. We able to do all these features in our Shopify store. Okay, we can able to connect to the subdomain. We can able to connect with the hosting server. Okay, and in the next part, we able to purchase the Shopify basic plan. We set up the payment methods. We place a test order. We have track order and view invoice. We have also added the product rating and reviews. And in the part third, we able to switch to Shopify refresh theme. We able to install search and discovery app for the advanced filters for the products, and we able to add the discount code as well. And now in the part 4, we able to add the brand page, and this one we have done with different subdomains. Okay, we are not doing everything in one subdomain. We are doing in the different subdomain, but in future we are going to make one e-commerce website, the proper e-commerce website. So in future videos we are going to do that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.